Colorado Springs-Pueblo residents, is your garage door stuck? That snap you just heard could be a broken spring, a common issue that stops your door in its tracks. Your garage door springs have a tough job lifting the door's weight every day, but in our Colorado climate, wear and tear can lead to a break, leaving you with a door that won't budge. Don't let a broken spring disrupt your day. In Colorado Springs-Pueblo, help is closer than you think. Our skilled technicians are ready to safely replace your springs and get your door moving again. Call us now at 1-866-992-1816. We're your local experts in garage door repair with the know-how to fix it fast and fix it right. Whether you're in Colorado Springs or Pueblo, we're just a call away. Dial 1-866-992-1816 and let our professionals bring your garage door back to life. 1-866-992-1816. Don't wait for a fix. Call now and get peace of mind with expert garage door service that stands the test of time.